how to add iPad to a Wi-Fi network manually. Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss quick tips and tutorials like this one. So you can get inside your iPad settings and tap on Wi-Fi. It's going to show you the network you might be connected to and also all of the other available networks, right? So naturally you can, as always, just click on it, type in the password and connect to it. But if there is a network which is hidden, and it is like a possibility for Wi-Fi routers to like hide their network, you'll be able to connect to it by scrolling down a little bit, and after or at the end of the list of networks, you'll see the other option. So you can click on the other, and this will allow you to type in the exact network name, choose the security type for that network, and also type in the password. So as I said, it is for the networks which are hidden, so not everyone can see it, but if you know that it exists, you can connect to it that way. So that is how you would do it. Let me know what you think about it below. This is how you can literally just manually connect it, so it's not like you automatically click it, but you have to like search it up, look it up on your iPad manually. So let me know if that is the thing you had in mind. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this, and I'll catch you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.